Alright, on this yucky, rainy morning, we decided to go to Round 1. Round 1 is a large indoor sports complex. They have bowling, they have games. The one we are going to has SpoCha. SpoCha is like an all open, do whatever you want to do, kind of play, have fun kind of thing. So when you get in, they now automate the whole thing. So you check in on the little booth. It is all in Japanese, but it's pretty intuitive, so it's not very hard. If you have kids, just make sure you choose the right age group, otherwise you're going to pay extra. But let's go see what's in here. Place to lock up your effects, rent shoes if you need them. And they also, for a small fee, you can pay for all-you-can-drink bar, which is only for 2 hours. We, with our tickets, we are here for 3, so we decided not to do drink bar, and I'll just get stuff out of a vending machine. We are going to Kids SpoCha. Let's go, B. Take off your shoes. This looks fun, but kind of worrisome because of the pandemic. May make sure you do not put your hands anywhere near your face after you play in here. We have to sanitize good. But it looks like they have fun stuff. They have a nice bouncy slide and bouncy castles. Lots of balls to throw around. Looks like a good time. Little swings. Yeah. A big pit to throw Maymay in. Maymay, do you want to get thrown in the big pit of balls? That's a big pot of balls. So already kind of showing they have table tennis. Pool tables. Darts, one of my favorites. No, I'm not that great. A large arcade area, but it doesn't open for another 2 hours, so we'll have to hit that up later. Auto tennis is kind of neat. And also auto ping pong. So, additionally, they have a shootout for hoops, right? Have indoor batting cages, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Looks like softball. Japanese people love their batting cages. It just kind of shows you can do it nice in kind of a compact area, and it turns out pretty good. Shooting. I think it's just airsoft. Yeah. So that's the first floor. Oh yeah, and the kick target soccer. That's kind of fun too. Also, they have this neat indoor archery. Lily is too small for it. She's gonna get hurt. She needs to step out of there. One person at a time. Do you guys not know how to do it?
Maybe.
All right, hold on. Let me show you. Here, take over. Here. Ami, hold the camera. So you hold it with your non-dominant hand, and you pull back with your dominant hand. Expect it to hit you here, and it's gonna hurt. But
well, maybe inside. That's why I had
you need the wrist guard. Yeah, you're inside, so you don't need to pull back that hard. But you feed the arrow in between the two beads. You pull back, and you just let it fire.
You're very good.
I'm not. I didn't pull it back far because I didn't want to hurt my arm again. But yeah, you should definitely use the wrist guard for it. They have hoverboard tracks, so you can practice hoverboarding it up. They also have Segway Drift, which you can check out from the front, which is kind of neat. It's like each foot gets its own little individual electronic skate. They have motorbike you can use, regular Segways, roller blades. And then the reason Lily wanted to come is they have a super tramp area. Maymay is jumping up a storm. She loves the tramping. What a little scam. Jump around, B. Oh, she just wiped out. Be careful, Lily. Oh my. Okay, so I gotta do this because this brings back memories. When I was a kid, and this is like a BabyTown inside. When I was a kid in high school, we lived really close to a duck pin bowling alley, and like once a week, maybe once every month, we would actually go to the duck pin bowling alley for gym class. And duck pin bowling is like regular bowling except tiny, and you use these little balls, and you can really wing them. Easy peasy. But I think this one is a little shorter than the ones I'm used to. Lily! Yeah, the bowling alley on base is cheaper than bowling on base.
Oh my god.
Wow. There's definitely a different type of bowling alley, huh?
Wow.
I know. Big electronic signs with AKB on it or some... Wow, it's very different. I like the bowling balls that look like basketballs. You can see your curve and how it breaks. Ooh, it's nice and cool up here. So here is the jumping around, having fun area. Go ahead, guys, in. Oh, Ami, there's your rodeo. Can you up the speed? Can you make it tougher? That seems pretty easy. Oh, there it goes. So, and this is the arcade area. There's all kinds of fun arcade games. The girls all want to play the Mario Olympics game. Go 3-player. Emma. The Star Wars Battle Pod. That's kind of cool. And all of them are part of your entrance fee. So you can play all these games for free, basically. A lot of games. Lastly, the regular arcade, which they have up here. They have, of course, UFO catchers and metal games. And usually, if you pay for 3 hours at the SpoCha, you get QR tickets that you can use to go play specific UFO catchers. And you also get some free medals, so you can play some free medal games. So we're going to try to win something cute, I guess. And of course, they have all the other standard arcade games, like Taekwondo Setsujin and stuff like that. But I think the girls are tuckered out. We had a fun time. May, what do you want to try to win? Mickey and Minnie's?